If Snapchat banned your device, it's not just an account problem, it's personal. This kind of ban locks your phone out completely, and even creating a new account won't help. Most people have no idea why it happens, or how to fix it, but there are ways to fight back and get your access restored. Let's fix it right now. Step 1. Reinstall Snapchat. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Find Snapchat in the list and tap on it. Tap Offload App. Then confirm by tapping Offload App again. Once it's done, tap Reinstall App. This will clear the app cache and reinstall Snapchat without removing your data. Step 2. Change date and time settings. Go to Settings, then tap on General. Scroll down and tap Date and Time. If Set Automatically is enabled, turn this off. Then tap Time Zone and select a different time zone. This helps reset your device's region settings and sometimes helps bypass bans. Step 3. Change region. Again, go to Settings, then tap on General. Now tap on Language and Region. Tap Region and select a different region or country. Confirm your selection. I hope this guide was helpful. If it worked for you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.